everybody, it's Alderman Andre Vasquez, 40th Ward. Out here, as you can tell, during the snowstorm, it is non-stop. But we've got our snow blower in the back, and we're hitting up Angie Arts Plaza. And in the 47th Ward needed some help over at Giddings Plaza. So while we're here, we're gonna dip over there, try to clean up as best as we can. But I think it's becoming very clear now, as it has been, that the city needs a larger program to be able to do this instead of like a guy with a snowblower